Okay, we are on set 10 on Tuesday, page 2 and 3. Our number for the day is 7 and 694 thousandths. If we're going to turn this into money, it's going to be $7.69. So we're going to write this this number in words. So it's 7 and 694. 694, and that's the thousandths place value. So we write the word thousand and we put a THS on it. Okay, so 7 and 694 thousandths. So we're going to expand it. So we're going to start with 7. That's our 7 whole, or $7. Okay, we've got 6 tenths. We've got 9 hundredths. So we've got to put a 0 in for the 6th. And we've got 4 thousandths. So we've got our double 0 and then our 4. And that is expanding it. Okay, we're comparing it. Again, we're going to turn it into money. So we're going to cover up the thousandths place, and that's $7.69. So we're going to write that. We've got $7.65. So we're going to write that. Yes, I know we could round that up, but just for now, if you look at these, we don't have to do that because we have $7.69 and $7.65. So which one's greater? Well, 69 is greater than 65, so that one's going to be bigger. We're going to round it to the underline and place value. It's already underlined. Okay, this is the hundredths place. We circle the number next door. We put our arrow back and we say, does that 4 change that 9? It does not because it's not 5 or more. So we write down the number that we have. We stop at the 9, the 4, and everything after it goes away. So if we were supposed to round to the hundredths place, when we say our answer, it should be hundredths. So 7 and 69 hundredths. So we did it correctly, okay? All right, we're gonna look at this again as money. So if we cover this up, this is $7.69. So is that closer to $8 or is that closer to $7? Well, 69 cents is way more than 50 cents. So this is gonna round to $8. Then we've got $3.56. Well, 56 cents is more than 50 cents. So this is also gonna round up to $4. So if we add this together, 8 plus 4 is 12. So if we estimated these two numbers, it's going to be about 12. Okay? All right, what is the value of the underlined digit in words? Again, this is our whole number. This is our tenths. This is our hundredths. So this is 9 hundredths. If we write that as a decimal, it's 9 hundredths. And if we write it as a fraction, it's 9 hundredths. Now, we can't reduce this because the only factors that 9 have is 9 and 3, and 9 and 3 and or 3 don't go into 100. So we know that we're lowest terms and we can't reduce it, okay? All right, we've got 29, so we're gonna write 29. We always add the digits, so 9 plus 2 is 11. Remember, that tells us if 3 and 9 are gonna be factors. Well, 3 is not a factor of 11 and 9 is not a factor of 11, so we know our T-chart is not gonna have 3 or 9 in it. We always start with 1, so 1 times 29. We ask if this is odd or even. It's odd, so we only have to check 3, 5, 7, and 9. Well, we already know that 3 and 9 are out because of our 11. We look at our 5. 29 does not end in 5 or 0, so that can't be a factor. And then we've got our 7 left. 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. So 7 does not go into 29 either, so we know we're done. We only have 2 factors, so our 29 is prime. All right, page 3, our problem of the day. Angie is 4.59 feet tall, 4.59 feet tall. Her sister is 1.23 feet tall, taller than she is. Sorry, Angie is 4.59 feet tall. Her sister is 1.23 feet taller than she is. How tall is Angie's sister? Okay, so if we have somebody that's this tall, and then we have somebody that's this much taller, Are we going to add these numbers together or are we going to subtract? Well, if she's taller, that tells us that we're going to add these numbers together. So we come over here. Do we understand the question? Yes. Angie's sister is going to be a bigger number than this because she's taller. Okay, it's given us both the numbers. So we know we're going to take the numbers that we've been given and we know that we're going to add them together. So if we're going to solve it, we're going to line up our decimals because we have to line up decimals when we add or subtract. We know that her sister is taller. So 9 plus 3 is 12, carry the 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. We're going to bring our decimal straight down. 4 plus 1 is 5. So how tall is her sister? She's 5 and 82 feet tall. So is our answer reasonable? Well, we know that if we added these together, we needed to have a bigger number than we started with. Did we get a bigger number? Yes, so we know we did it correctly.